He sees you when you're sleeping.
Clear. Exit clear. Options are clear. Options is
Alright, we just rode the front. We just rode the front on the Goliath. I am really excited to see how this is going to play out. They always do say that the back is better than the front. So let's see how it is. Oh my gosh. Wow, okay, that's really good. Like thinking about it like design wise, this could be the best Hypercoaster because it's got everything. It's got the it's got the positives, it's got the negatives, it's got the airtime, it's got the unpredictability. It's great.